Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ali Raza. I am a student of FSC Pre-Medical Part 2 at this esteemed Jamia. It is a great honor for me to stand over here to share a few words about Markaz Ahle Sunnat Jamia Qadriya Rizviya Sumbalpur. This is not merely a place of learning. It is a center where Dini education, Hifz Quran, Tajweed Qiraat and Dunyavi education, metric and FSC classes walk hand in hand. The most beautiful thing about this institution is that it is providing free education. We are getting a quality education here. The atmosphere here is outstanding. Our institution has latest labs, well furnished rooms and vast playgrounds as well. As far as teaching faculty is concerned, our teachers are well qualified, trained and experienced. They teach us with latest techniques. Our institution is also providing a safe and comfortable hostel facility where students are served with breakfast, lunch and dinner free of cost. Admissions are open and education is free. So if you cannot bear the expenses of education and want to get the quality education, be the part of this institution, Markaz Ahle Sunnat Jamia Qadriya Rizviya. Thank you.